Hey guys, I'm here with a model review today. This model is in 1/50th scale. It is the Vermeer TG7000 Tub Grinder by TWH Collectables. As well, Sword works in conjunction with TWH. They teamed up to bring you this model because they supply the semi-truck. As well, they supplied a catalog with my model. So the box is nice cardboard, which is colored on the top, and also comes in a regular protective box for shipping. It comes in the Vermeer colors. I'll let you know that it comes in 3 different colors: green, white, and yellow. And the reason I got the yellow is because that's Vermeer's original color. So, comes in a protective box which has pictures of the actual machine around on each side, with a 2-piece polystyrene tray on the inside. And first what you get is 2 pamphlets. One on the actual machine and one is an assembly guide for the model. As you can see, there's tape running around here. I have already taken that off as I prepared it for the review. So you just lift that off. So here's the model. It's a 2-piece set. It comes with the tub grinder itself, and it comes with the semi-tractor. So first thing you need to do is remove the protective pieces. Now it does come with 3 sheets of polythene to protect the paint, but I've removed those as well. So you also need to remove this. This protects the axles. So once you got that out, you will be able to remove the tub grinder itself. There's that. You got some mirrors and some horns to fit to the truck. You have a plastic pointer tool and some parts to fit to the model. And you have your Peterbilt 379 4-axle day cab tractor. And this is a really nice truck made by Sword in the Vermeer colors. So there are a lot of moving parts on this model. This pretty much sets a new level for high detail on any model. Everything on this is functional, and I'll let you know that this model is for experienced modelers only, because there are a lot of breakable parts, and it's also pretty expensive. It's about $270 on average. So be sure you know what you're getting into when you get this model. So let's start with the crane. The crane has an opening door with a platform with see-through mesh on it and operator details on the inside of the cab. It has a cab guard on the front with windshield wipers as well. Windows on this side, 360-degree spin, and very nice hydraulic detail, including on the arms and on the grapple itself. The grapple opens and spins 360 degrees. Now these doors all open, but I'm not going to show you right now. There's individual suspension on each of these axles, and the conveyor belt works and rolls, and also folds up for transport. Now the tub actually does rotate as well, and it lifts up to expose the cutting head and the Caterpillar engine. And there's also a restraint system for thrown objects, and it's kind of hard to lift up, but folds out and swings over, clips into there. It's really nice. And moving on, there's a rack for holding your safety screens, which are supplied with the model. And there's a fold down stairway or ladder. It's really nice. And there's also stabilizers, which do lock in place with these pins right here. There's an air compressor on the front. And moving on to this side of the model, it's pretty much the same as the other side. There's feet at the back that come down as well to stabilize the machine. There's a rubber belt to simulate the chain drive for the tub itself. There's a ladder that folds down here. And all these doors open. Let's see if we can open one of them. There we are. That exposes the Caterpillar engine with, I believe, 1,000 horsepower. And this one opens, which reveals some radiator detail in the back. And you got your kingpin here, and this component of the stabilizer does fold inward. So there is the grinder itself. The truck is equally as impressive. The doors open, and I'll try and show you that. There we are. So as you can see, the doors open on both sides. There's a lot of extra details fitted to the truck already, including these air lines, which are simulated with actual coils, and they actually do attach to the truck. So this axle does lift and has a little securing pin to lock that in place. The bonnet or hood of the truck does raise to expose, I believe, a Cummins, but I'm not sure, maybe a Detroit. And as you can see on the grill, it's totally see-through and really well detailed. There's air filters on both sides of the engine and dual exhaust decks. And the front of the truck is really nice as well. The wheels do turn. They have a position for each one, forward, left, and right. And it's got a headache rack with actual chains on it, as you can see here. And it's got winches on this side. And it's got simulated lights, and it's also got a little tarp attached right here, which is removable. And mud flaps with the Peterbilt logo on it, and a little Vermeer license plate. So now the fifth wheel does have a spring-loaded hitch to it and can be moved back. So I've already reviewed this model, and this is an amazing model. Its detail is far beyond anything I've ever bought. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 in terms of price compared to the detail. It's just amazing, and I highly recommend it for experienced modelers. So there you are.